Good morning, grade 9. Today we have been starting working with MS Word. In the previous class, I told you that this is a word processor that we are going to study. See, suppose you want to open a file in MS Word. This is an office button. You can click here and you can click on this new button. Then it will ask this blank document or new blog post. So you have to select what? A blank document and click on a create. A new window will appear in front of you. So if you want to save here the changes, suppose I write here happy classes. Okay, now you want to save it. What you can do is just go on this. There is an option save as. Click as on a save as option. It will ask for the file name. You can give the name here for the class. Okay, I'm giving a happy. Okay, and click here on save option. Now you can see the name of a file displayed on a title bar with the name happy. If you want to close, you can simply click here on the office button and you can choose this close option to close this. Okay, that particular document is being closed. Now if you want to exit, okay, if you want to exit, this blue screen will come if you will close, and if you want to exit, you again have to go on this office button and this option exit word. You can click here and now you're out of. Want to edit a text, so first type something here. It means, okay, using a keyboard, just type here that editing a text. It means, okay, making correction to it and manipulating text. Fine. Now if you want to format it, okay, so if you want to select the word, you can simply double click on that word. It will be selected, and from here you can make it bold or you can change the color. In case you want to select an entire line, take your cursor at the starting of the line, press the left mouse button and simply drag your cursor on the entire line. It will be selected. Fine. Or even you can press a control key and you can click on that line. That entire line will be selected. Now suppose you want to select entire document. What you can do is Control A. So by using Control A shortcut key, you can select the entire text in a document. So how can you select? If you want to select a word, just double click on that word that you want to select. If you want to select entire line, either press the control key and press this mouse button, so entire line will be selected at one single go. If you the other way is, take your mouse cursor at starting of the line, keep pressing the left mouse button and just drag your cursor on the text that you want to select. And if you want to select the entire document, you can press Control plus A key to select the entire document, everything from this. Now if you want to copy and paste the text, what you can do is first select the text. Okay, suppose I want this to be copied. Right click, first you have to select the text, fine, then right click and there is an option copy. You can select this and then take your cursor to the desired location where you want to paste, then right click and paste it. Fine. The other way of doing is select the text from using your keyboard, press Ctrl plus C, that is copy, and then paste it wherever you want by Ctrl plus V. Okay, so Ctrl C is a shortcut key for copy, Ctrl V is a shortcut key to paste. Now we will study what is the difference between cut and copy. Okay, so when you will copy a text, suppose what I have done right now is I just copied the text. So in the source, the text remained unchanged and the same text is copied to the destination. But if I select this and I'll right click and choose the option cut, okay, so the text will be removed from the source location, and when you will do Control V or right click and paste, you will get to see the text in the destination. Means from the source the text is deleted and it will be only visible in the destination. While in copy, source and destination, okay, the source will remain unaffected and you can see the text in the source also and in destination also. So this is what is cut, copy and paste. In the next class, we will study few more formatting features of Word. So till then, keep studying, keep practicing and keep revising. Thank you.